This is KriptoBot, a smart trading bot built with AI, in just minutes. And what's cool is that nothing complicated was involved. AI helped us move from idea to working prototype almost instantly. KriptoBot pulls in real-time crypto data, keeps everything accurate, and focuses solely on strategy and insights, not executing trades. We plugged in momentum, RSI, and moving average strategies, and the AI helped us structure everything cleanly so we could swap or customize strategies without digging through messy code. The point is, building something useful, something you can learn from and extend, doesn't have to take days. With the right tools and a bit of AI, you can get surprisingly far, surprisingly fast. In this video, we'll walk you through our process of building this trading bot. We'll cover every single detail. And rest assured, by the end, you'll be well equipped with the information you need to build your own trading bots. Getting started, the first thing we need is a data extracting API to deliver real-time data. We're using free crypto API for real-time crypto price data to provide KriptoBot with the market info needed for signals and strategy testing. We're sticking to the free plan here because it's more than enough for development and learning, but the service also offers a paid plan if you ever need higher limits or more advanced features. Besides, other API providers are also available. The next step is to find a platform that will actually code your bot for you. We're going to use Bind AI, because it gives you a wide range of features and AI models to choose from. For this project, we'll go with Cloud Sonnet 4.5. It's fast, reliable, and great for structured coding tasks. But you can also choose Opus 4.5, Gemini 3 Pro, or GPT 5.1 if you want to experiment or optimize for different strengths. We'll also select the coding agent here, since it's designed specifically for generating clean, production-ready code. Bind AI does offer a full-stack agent and even a GitHub agent, but for building and iterating on KriptoBot's codebase, the coding agent is the most focused option. Before we generate anything though, the prompt you write is incredibly important. Think of the prompt as your blueprint. The clearer it is, the better the output will be. You want to describe the overall goal of your project, the technologies you're using, the structure you want, and any limitations the bot should follow. Mention things like required folders, sample strategies, UI color themes, and even how data should flow through the app. Also be specific about what you don't want, like avoiding trade execution or relying on a single API for everything. The more detail you give, the fewer mistakes the AI makes and the less time you'll spend fixing or rewriting. Now let's tell Bind AI to go ahead and build our bot and wait patiently. Within just a few minutes, Bind AI generated the first full version of our trading bot application. It already has the structure, the strategies, the UI, and all the core services wired together. It looks something like this, and honestly, getting to this point manually would have taken hours. Now we're going to ask Bind AI to update our free crypto API key inside the bot so the price data we fetch is accurate and tied to our own account. This step is important because the default placeholder key won't give you reliable results, and some endpoints may not work at all without a valid API key. It's a small tweak, but it makes the entire system actually usable, and it shows how easily you can iterate on your project using AI. Once the API is ready, this is what it'll look like. KriptoBot loads up with a clean, emerald green interface that feels modern but still extremely practical. Right on the dashboard, you get real-time prices for major cryptocurrencies, BTC, ETH, SOL, BNB, ADA, XRP, and more, all updating based on your own free crypto API key. Each tile shows the current price, the 24-hour move, market cap, and volume, all laid out in a way that's easy to scan at a glance. On the right side, you can see the strategy signals coming in live. Each strategy panel shows which asset it's analyzing, the signal strength, whether it's detecting momentum, RSI shifts, or a moving average crossover, and whether the recommendation is hold, buy, or sell logic. It's simple, it's readable, and it gives you instant insight into what your strategies are seeing in the market. The whole UI is smooth, organized, and responsive, making it feel like a real production tool rather than a prototype. What makes this really usable is that everything updates continuously. You don't have to refresh anything, the system handles live updates automatically. And because the strategies are modular, you can plug in your own ideas or tweak the existing ones without breaking the whole app. Whether you're testing concepts, exploring patterns, or just keeping an eye on trends, the dashboard gives you all the signals you need. But the bot isn't just about real-time data. It also comes with built-in backtesting. So while I show this analysis in real time, keep in mind that you can load historical OHLCV data and run any of these strategies against past markets. The Backtest tab gives you performance metrics, win rates, drawdowns, and overall profitability so you can validate your approach before you ever use it live. This is incredibly useful, because understanding how a strategy would have performed gives you confidence in how it might perform going forward. Once we're satisfied with the results, the final step is deployment, and thankfully, that part is just as simple. With Bind AI, we can deploy the entire project to Vercel with a single click. The system bundles your code, prepares the build, and ships everything directly to Vercel's hosting platform. Usually, this whole process takes anywhere from 20 seconds to a minute, depending on the size of your project and how many assets need to be compiled. While that's running, here's what's actually happening under the hood. Vercel sets up a production environment, optimizes your front end, installs any required dependencies, and turns your Next.js or Web UI into globally distributed static assets. At the same time, it deploys your API routes or serverless functions so they can scale automatically based on traffic. The result is a fast, stable, and globally accessible version of your bot. No servers to configure, no complex setup, and no maintenance headaches. The benefits are huge. You can share your bot instantly with teammates or users, test how it behaves in a real environment, and get immediate access to logs and analytics. If you make changes later, redeployment is just as quick. One button and your updates go live within seconds. It gives you a smooth, professional workflow without needing a DevOps background. So in less than a minute, KriptoBot moves from a local project to a fully deployed, production-ready application you can access from anywhere. It's a clean, effortless finish to the build process. So that's the full walkthrough, using AI to plan, build, refine, and deploy a complete trading bot in minutes. We created KriptoBot as a strategy-focused analytics tool with real-time data, modular indicators, backtesting, and a clean, production-ready UI. But this is just a starting point. You can use the exact same process to build other types of bots too, like portfolio rebalancers, arbitrage scanners, DeFi yield monitors, NFT floor price trackers, or even machine learning-driven prediction models. You can design bots for Forex, stocks, or commodities, or build advanced pipelines that combine sentiment analysis, news scraping, and custom strategy engines. We hope this video helped you and you learned something. Give Bind AI a shot and see how it can transform your ideas into functional projects within minutes. And as always, thanks for watching.